3D scanning aims to capture the geometry of the 3D world. However, most existing solutions require a complicated setup, are often hard to use, and might not always work outdoors. The idea behind this app is to turn smartphones into interactive 3D scanners. Instead of taking a normal photograph, a user simply moves the phone around the object of interest, and after a few motions, a 3D model appears on the screen. As the user keeps moving, additional images are recorded automatically and used to extend the 3D model. As all calculations are performed directly on the phone, the user gets immediate feedback and can select additional viewpoints to cover missing parts. This is an important advantage compared to solutions that batch process all the images on a server at a later time. The app also makes it possible to visualize the state of the 3D scan from different viewing angles, allowing the user to cover all the areas of the object he is interested in. Having a solution on a mobile phone enables the acquisition of 3D scans on the fly, anywhere. The app works in a wide variety of settings, including low-light conditions, such as inside a museum. A user can capture a 3D model of a museum piece and interactively study it at home later. After reviewing the model, a user might decide to upload his 3D data to a cloud service to further refine the results. By using the inertial sensors of the phone, the scanning process can be made simple, intuitive, and robust. After the 3D capture is started, the system automatically determines the correct moments to extract camera images based on the user motion. Also, contrary to image-only 3D capture solutions, the app is able to determine the absolute scale of the scanned 3D objects, as well as the vertical direction. Because of the complexity of the calculations needed to reconstruct hundreds of thousands of points, the phone's GPU, the graphics coprocessor, is used to enable a faster reconstruction and increase interactivity for the user. As we can see, the app allows the 3D capture of faces, giving a third dimension to portraits, profile pictures, or images of loved ones. Having a convenient way of getting a 3D model of everyday objects, users will now be able to copy something from the real world by scanning a full 360-degree model of an object. After making sure that the reconstruction is complete, the model can be saved for further processing. After the model has been refined, the resulting 3D model can be used for 3D printing, effectively enabling the user to replicate any object.